Ven acá, mi pollito lindo.
The turkey's in there. Here we are, 2018 Thanksgiving, right back here. 2 years ago, we started doing Thanksgiving here at my parents' place upstate, and we love it. The kids love it, and as you'll see in the previous 2 videos, I'll link them right over there. It's been fun. It's a nice, good old-fashioned, small, simple, yet fancy Thanksgiving. It's 11:30 now. The parade's on TV. The kids are watching it. My brother and his kids and my sister-in-law are not here yet. They're on their way. So it should be fun once they get here. We eat dinner early, Thanksgiving, as you'll see, and as you've seen in the other videos. So a little bit of a surprise this year, though. There's a lot of snow, and I did a daddy fail. I forgot to bring their boots. I brought their sleigh, but I forgot to bring their boots. So we'll see how that goes. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this year we're doing something a little different with the turkey. We're actually deep frying it. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. What are you guys doing?
Daddy, you see the elf on the shelf?
Is the elf on the shelf?
Look at that big one!
Wow, Dylan, you watching the parade?
Yeah. You missed, Daddy, you missed the big Power Ranger one. You had to take a picture.
That was a big Power Ranger?
Yeah.
Oh, don't pick your nose. You're on video. And this year, Uncle Jeff is with us. Say hi, Uncle Jeff.
Hey, everybody.
Uncle Jeff has a Twitch channel. We're going to link it below. Hey. Are you okay? You guys were whiny in the car. See, really fun fact, I couldn't record earlier. They were super duper whiny in the car. Both of them were just whining and crying. And this one right here, he was the worst. He was crying for like 30 minutes left. We have video. We're gonna cut to it right now. So you saw it? You saw it? Mr. Crybaby? Hey! Hey!
You see that?
All right. Ooh, look at all this food we have here. We have stuffing, stuffed mushrooms, homemade stuffed mushrooms, spinach, and my mom's famous sweet potatoes. Say hi, Mommy. Hi. Y para lo que vean, cuando vean esto también en Ecuador, porque lo vamos a mandar el video. Salúdale.
Oh, sí. Hola, Gardenia. Hola, ñaño lindo. ¿Cómo estás? Ahí te mandó el video de comida que vamos a hacer. El pavo está en el otro lado.
We're gonna make a sangria using this that I got at Costco, and it's basically pomegranates, fresh pomegranates, cranberries. I'm gonna put apple and orange, and then later on when we're ready to serve it, we'll put some Sprite in it.
All right, so we also have some delicious treats. Now, we have my mom's famous cake that she makes. It's delicious. And then we have apple pie, pecan squares, gobble gobble cookies, sugar cookies, delicious. These little delicious muffins that my wife made as well. And pumpkin pie, all homemade. All homemade, nothing store-bought here. All right, guys. What are you guys doing?
I'm painting.
You're painting. What are you eating?
A cookie.
A cookie.
I'm painting.
What is that? What's that?
A pumpkin and a berry.
Look at these cool activities that you guys are doing with Mommy. It says, when your cousins come, we're gonna play Thanksgiving bingo. So cool, puppy. Look at those. And let's see what Dylan is doing. Dylan is playing with Uncle Jeff. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Black Ranger.
think my dad made this little trail because I don't have my boots on. Actually, let me pause real quick and let you guys know. So I got my GoPro Hero 7 Black set up. I actually am pretty happy with the setup. I'm gonna link a video below of somebody that I found that has a similar setup, but instead of having this like metal cage that you put the GoPro in, I'm squinting because it's sunny. Instead of having that metal cage, I have a similar setup, except I'm using the SIDEARM. And I've been talking about the SIDEARM in a couple of videos. That's this thing right here. I found it on an Instagram ad, and I ordered one on Amazon. I'll link it below. This thing is amazing. Like, you don't need the whole cage. And because the GoPro is already waterproof and rugged, you know, you don't have to put it in this other cage to be able to mount stuff to that cage, like for the microphones and stuff. Like, this thing has like holes on it. So yeah, as you can see, this thing is great. I have it on like a Joby SLR. That's what this one was called, this model, Gorilla Pod. And that's the SIDEARM right there, which, as you can see, it has like all these, you know, it has threads on the side, on the top. I've got a little cold shoe mount that I mounted on the top. Then I've mounted like an extension, a little extension adapter, and like just a little Velcro strap just to hold that bulky GoPro adapter. So yeah, so I mean, I like this setup. I think I'm going to use it more often, especially now that this GoPro Hero 7, I got to say, is probably the ultimate vlogging camera. Right now, I can just tell you, this little setup that I have right now, even if I wanted it to be even simpler, you can take this GoPro Hero 7 Black and just don't even put a microphone on it or with the adapter, and just walk around with it, and the sound quality is way better than the 5. I had the 5, and as you can see all my other videos about the GoPro Hero 5, it was a disaster. But anyway, back to this vlog. Thanksgiving 2018. We're gonna go check on the turkey because it's so cold out that we had to put the deep fryer inside my dad's workshop here. Just as a precursor to that, if you're gonna deep fry or do anything like that, please be careful, please be safe, follow instructions. Please be careful, guys. We're at almost 300. We gotta put it in at 325. There she is. Nice little 18-pound turkey.
Venga acá mi pollito ahorita.
The turkey's in there.
Está rosadito, por eso se está.
You gonna eat the turkey bone?
No.
Yeah, you're gonna eat the turkey bone.
No.
Whoa, there it is. Oh my goodness, guys. The turkey is ready.
What?
The turkey is ready. We're gonna eat the chicken wing.
That's no.
What are you gonna eat?
The chicken bone.
I take a bone. The turkey is ready. Stuffed
Ya, el pavo ya está
mushrooms,
caliente.
All right.
spinach, mac and cheese, stuffing, sweet potato, and the piece de resistance. Ooh.
All right, let's see.
We're gonna eat. We're gonna eat. I'm so happy.
This one? Wait, blow it. I'm cutting. That's a wing.
That's a wing,
That's
Papa.
the bone. That's the wing. Okay, so what do you want?
Okay, yo te quedé. Okay.
I've been rocking that turkey bone action everything.
Me quiero una ala y le di bueno. Another wing.
Yes, just go.
Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
What are you thankful for?
It's Thanksgiving because it's so much fun and I had a lot of treats and a lot of food and I had a lot of toys and stuff and it's so cute and beautiful and we get to watch a game and eat treats and play a game and we like to play together and trust our family and listen to our family.
Aww.
I'm thankful for our trees.
I'm thankful for
boys because I have all my boys here that I love. I got my Joel, my Logan, my Blakey, my brother, and Dylan, and Uncle Aaron, and everybody, all the boys in the family. And I'm also thankful for my little princesses that I have, and I have 2 little princesses. That's Leah and Ariella over there. And that's about it.
I'm thankful for dinosaurs too.
That's it. That's Thanksgiving 2018. I'm still full. Whew. And now we're just packing up and we're gonna go home and enjoy a nice, quiet drive home, hopefully. So, happy Thanksgiving, everybody.